Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connect but no internet access. First, you have to go to your notification panel, and right there we could see the Wi-Fi over there. Press that option and check your Wi-Fi that is connected, and you have to check the signal strength. Mine says excellent, but if it says poor or any other significant, then there might be problem in your Wi-Fi router or the connection. Or you can also check your network usage, and you have to set it on detect automatically, right this. But if the problem still persists, then what you have to do is simply restart your phone and try restarting your device and router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. And you also need to check router connection. Ensure that your router is properly connected to the internet, and you can do this by connecting another device directly to the router via internal cable and seeing if it can access the internet. And by following the steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the issue of being connected to Wi-Fi but not having internet access. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.